These are the ugliest Kolinsky Sable brushes. There is a lesson here somewhere, for sure. Today we have a quick unboxing and testing of these Kolinsky brushes from Golden Maple. Golden Maple sent me this set of Kolinsky brushes free of charge. Golden Maple also did not pay me to test and review their brushes. I have been using Foxbite Hobby's Kolinsky Sable brushes for a while now, and I love those brushes. As for synthetic brushes, I use mostly the Army Painter Bionic brushes and no-name orange handle brushes. This past month, I have been using the new Army Painter Masterclass Kolinsky Sable brushes almost exclusively. I will put the link to my review video of those brushes in the description below. Anyway, let's unbox and test these Kolinsky brushes from Golden Maple and see if they perform better than they look. Oh wait, before we paint, for people who click the thumbnail because of the colorful Cthulhu bust, the 3D printable file of this bust is available for download at my Patreon page. Hi, I'm Don. Welcome to my channel. This channel is supported by all these awesome brands. Also, special thanks to the Army Painter for making this video possible. By the way, don't forget my discount codes and affiliate links down below. They won't cost you extra, but they will help my channel. I actually like the box. The simple tan-colored box looks classy. The box looks like it is holding some premium brushes inside. I am a bit surprised that this box is not designed to match the box of the Golden Maple wooden handle. Matching box design or colors would look better on hobby store shelves. Anyway, after opening the box, I was like, these brushes are ugly. I mean, for context, I live in the Philippines. I am Filipino and we have a ton of wood, good, hard wood. I cannot help but think that dark red wood is high quality, hardwood, and pine, light-colored wood is cheap or unfinished wood. Maybe it's just me. I just think that the handles could use some paint or varnish. The handles look too naked, nude, and unfinished. Anyway, that is just my first impression. I keep on telling myself not to judge a brush by its handle. You get two round brushes. You get a size 1 and a size 0. Normally, I would prefer a size 2 and size 0. An all-rounder size 2 and a detail size 0 brush is perfect. You also get a size 0, size 1, and a size 2 arrowhead brushes. Arrowhead brushes are totally different from the usual round brushes. I love arrowhead brushes. They have the same fine point as round brushes, but they have two flat sides. Arrowhead brushes will give you more variations with your strokes. These brushes are perfect for sketching. I must say that this set is a complete Kolinsky Sable brush set. You have a couple of nice round brushes, and you get 3 arrowhead brushes, a complete brush set. I still find the handles ugly, but let's see how these brushes from Golden Maple perform. Oh, before we paint with these Golden Maple brushes, I must say that this set reminds me of the Four Musketeers Kolinsky Sable Arrowhead brushes by Foxbite Hobbies. I have been painting with Foxbite Hobbies brushes, both Kolinsky Sable brushes and synthetic brushes for years now, and I really love them. Foxbite Hobbies are one of the best brushes in the market today. So, how do these Golden Maple brushes compare? If you're liking this video, do give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Now let's test and paint with these Golden Maple brushes. As usual, we paint with the Army Painter War Paints Fanatic Paints and the Wargamers Edition Wet Palette. I grabbed a handful of minis by Grimdark, Ohio. You might want to check out Grimdark, Ohio, as they will launch a GameFound campaign very soon. Grimdark, Ohio produces very interesting miniature designs, and the sculpting is always beautiful. I cannot comment about the game though, since I am not a gamer. Anyway, back to these Golden Maple brushes. As mentioned earlier, arrowhead Kolinsky brushes are a delight to sketch with. Varying the pressure and angles while using an arrowhead for sketching will produce interesting strokes. The flat sides used with different pressures will produce nice flat strokes. With a bit of mastery, your paint strokes will almost look and feel like calligraphy. As you can see in the video, I am just sketching with light-colored Warpaints Fanatics. You all know that Warpaints Fanatics have very good coverage. Great coverage and arrowhead brushes almost feel like drawing. I highly recommend this combination. I am just sketching over a quick zenithal prime. You do not need to do this, especially if you only plan for a quick speed paint job. But sketching with black and white paints is very fun. I have a couple of value sketching videos that you might like. Comment below and I will share the link of those videos. I also use these Golden Maple Kolinsky brushes to add more colors and textures to my Cthulhu bust contest entry. I designed this Cthulhu bust myself and I hired the sculptor to bring it to life. The 3D printable file of this bust is available for download at my Patreon page for those interested. I mixed a small amount of war paint stabilizer with the paints here. The stabilizer added a bit more transparency. The layering of translucent paints is giving me more color depth. We shall see if the judges of the contest see the play of colors. I also used these Golden Maple brushes to finish another tutorial for our Skin Painting Masterclass Kickstarter campaign. My apologies for the late tutorials, but I am making sure that the tutorials are very good. It is very important to note that if you are relatively new to painting, you will barely notice the difference of painting with round brush and with arrowhead brushes. Arrowhead brushes are worth the upgrade after a little bit more experience in painting figures and miniatures. Some people, some painters, would even go as far as upgrading only to Kolinsky Sable brushes after a bit of experience painting with cheap synthetic brushes. Now, before my final thoughts, a huge thanks to all my patrons at Patreon. I just briefly painted with a Kolinsky brush sold here in the Philippines by a local brand, and it is very, very bad. There is no such thing as a reasonably priced natural hair brush. Good natural hair Kolinsky Sable brushes are not cheap at all. The local Philippine brand is being very disrespectful to their customers. I feel they're assuming that the customers do not know how a good quality Kolinsky brush should be. Anyway, this is totally not the case with these Golden Maple Kolinsky brushes. Although I find the handles, at least the color of the handles, ugly, the bristles, the hair, the brushes themselves are very good. As mentioned earlier, this set of Golden Maple Kolinsky brushes is a complete set. You get a couple of round brushes and 3 arrowhead brushes. This set is worth the upgrade in my opinion. It is a toss-up between the Foxbite Hobbies 4 Musketeers set and this set though. I cannot objectively compare these Golden Maple brushes with Foxbite Hobbies brushes, since I have been using Foxbite Hobbies brushes for a long while now. However, even with my little experience with these Golden Maple brushes, I would gladly recommend these to any painter looking to upgrade. I have a ton of videos regarding Kolinsky Sable brushes. Just leave a comment below so that I can reply with the video links. That's it, Pansit. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and all that stuff. Until next video, guys. Bye! If you like this video, YouTube thinks you like this next video. Lastly, do check us out at Patreon or SuratoStudios.com.